Let's go. Hey, and welcome to another Shout Out Sunday. I don't know what number it is. I never say the number. Welcome. So, I had an interesting idea because last week I didn't have a sort of tip, but I was looking into SEO stuff, just, you know, the algorithm, all hail the algorithm stuff, right? And I was thinking about channel rankings, right? Because you know that you can have a perfectly optimized video, but then another channel could have an optimized video and they're gonna rank higher than you are. And it's because of one thing, I think. Look, the algorithm is a system, and a system only works with inputs. It's a learning system, so it only learns with inputs. And the more we input things to it, the more it learns. I mean, I just said that. Ow. I didn't have to punch my desk for it. Everyone just calm down. This is getting a little heated. Hey, you should really do this. Here's my idea. Give the algorithm more inputs. So when I go watch a channel, especially a small channel, if I want to sort of catch up on what they're doing, what I do is I go to the search bar and I search for their channel name, and then search for where they come up and click on them. I'm hoping that this gives the algorithm, all hail the algorithm, its own sort of input, and it starts to learn that people are searching for these channels. So that's how, another way that I'm trying to help. I think it might be a good idea. I mean, in theory, of course it would be. We're just giving the search what it wants. We're giving it more things to learn from. And maybe that'll make your channel rank higher. And also, another thing that I do is, well, let's go to my channel. So there is a other channels kind of thing there. You can add a list of channels, okay? This is like your MySpace top 8 or whatever. I think you can add as many as you want, but I don't know how many I have. But anyway, this is like your MySpace top 8. I have my crew in here. This is like my crew. This is my ride or die. This crew right here, this group of people, I know that when Hiram Lodge tries to come into the South Side, they're gonna stand with me, shoulder to shoulder, to hold back our turf, because a serpent never sheds its skin. I'm sorry. I was watching a lot of Riverdale, and I think I might have slightly gotten carried away. Let's get back to the thing I was trying to say. Now I'm hoping that this is also another way to kind of input information. If there's a channel that's already kind of putting these channel links up, it's just sort of a visibility kind of thing. Anyway, I have them here. It doesn't hurt, like Bunch of Dong says, it doesn't hurt to be good. This is there for you to use, so I put people in. Occasionally I rotate them, but this is sort of what it's been like for a little bit. What you say to me, bruh? So for the comment of the week, since I've already done a bunch of channels and stuff in my little thing, this is gonna be the comment of the week, and it's Cherry Giggles. You always comment on my stuff. You're one of the admins in one of the Facebook groups out there. I feel like I'm gonna do, instead of a channel shout out, I'm gonna eventually do like a Facebook group kind of shout out, because we learn a lot there, and we go there a lot, and a lot of you are from there, and that's sort of a good resource for everyone, so they deserve a shout out too, because they're doing some good work. But yeah, the thank you so much for always commenting. But yes, this request, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. And that's pretty much it for today, because I just got bored of making this video. So before I let you go, I just want to say one last thing to you. It's very important. I really want you to kind of soak this in. Hopefully this will take you to the rest of your day. Roll the thing!